In our last video, we showed you the three-wheel bike that we're attempting, the Leaner. It only has one problem. You can't ride it. So here's our first attempt at making it a rideable bike. We fixed the angle of the fork. We ground back the hub, bent it away from the fork assembly so we could level the fork assembly, and tacked it up. Here's a picture of the really lousy job of welding I can do. And here we are, fork assembly leveled. Is it rideable? Almost. Actually, it's easier to turn than ride in a straight line.